How much preparation do you do before teaching a class that's 3+ hours long, or any class, I guess?
Well, it depends. Am I doing it for the first time or have I done it before?
That's a very good point. I would say for the first time.
2 or 3 months.
2 or 3 months. Do you mind taking me through some of your preparation process?
Yeah, the very first thing I do is I look at the course coming up in 2 or 3 months and say, there's no way I could teach this. Not up for air at all. I am completely out of my depth. So that's where I start from. So I spend about, a week spinning in a small circle saying, woe is me, my life is over as far as I can tell. That's the first week. Next section is I outline it and list all the stuff that I want to teach if only I knew what it was. And then the third step is to start to put the course together. And the hardest part of any course, especially for technology, is putting a demo together. Demos are the soul of all technology. For instance, I want to show what depth of field is. Depth of field is focus, where my face is in focus here and the background is out of focus. Well, what's the best way to illustrate that? I've got to find an image which has got the foreground in focus and the background out of focus, but it has to be really clear and really easy to see and not have a lot of other well, finding the right demo or showing how to do an edit where the video edits at one time and the audio edits at a different time, called a split edit. If you had the right clip, people get it in a nanosecond. If you have the wrong clip, they give you this blank look saying, I don't see what you're seeing. Why is that so important? Easily half my time on a course is finding the right material for a demo. Then, once I've got a sense of what I want to say, and I've got the demos roughly in line, then we have to organize it. What do I want to cover in each class or each part of a class? And I generally break a class down into 15-minute sections. In this 15 minutes, I'm going to cover these bullet points. And then I should say that I clearly rehearse before the class starts. I should say that, but I don't. But I do study the outline, and I run it through in my head, and I do rehearse all the demos to make sure the demos work. But I never work from a script. I never know exactly what I'm going to say, but I do know the content points I want to get across. All right, maybe I can get it done in a month. But if it's online training, because I've got to get rights clearances and all that stuff, it takes 2 months.